Warwick here from Seya Auto. Today we're installing a Isuzu MUX SUV. As you can see, one of the first things we do is remove all the carpets. Okay, so you take all the carpets out of the car and we give it a good vacuum out. Okay, come around the back and remove all any carpets or mats in the back. Okay, it's just giving it a vacuum. And in the front seat, you'll see, if I move this back, you have floor clips down in here. Okay, you just remove those floor clips and you're ready to start installing, say, carpets. So all the carpets have been removed and the car's been vacuumed out. So we'll start installing very soon.
It's never too late. It's never too late.
Okay, so back, we finished installing the MUX. Took about 10-15 minutes, 2 people. So what I'll do now is I'll show you how the interior has changed. Okay, it looks quite different from how it did. So So there you have it. That's how you install a MUX. It takes about 2 people about 15 minutes. If you're doing it by yourself, you can add 5 or 10 minutes to that. Take your time, don't try and rush it. Okay. The smaller the car, the easier obviously it is to install, less pieces. In this vehicle there's 9 pieces to install, so there's quite a bit to do, but it covers the whole floor. As you've seen in the video, the whole floor is covered, there's no carpet showing, and it looks really, really good in your car. It'll protect your carpet for years to come. Okay, so Warwick from Seya Auto, take care, have a good day.